30 minutes, guys.
You fucking kidding me?
M comes destroyed! First one's destroyed! Defenders move their spawn point back to the racing wheel.
Show my arm. Oh, there.
Defender spawn point move.
All right.
It's not even fucking working. Where are they? There we go. And 14's back up. Yeah, hit.
Behind the fort! Head to the ravine to flank them. There's a big wall of guys right here. There's like 2 or 3. Go in the ravine. Where'd you gun that? Hey. Hey, who's back there? One behind the fort!
Fort's down! Move up!
No, we still got one behind the fort. Reloading.
In the hole!
Brian, do you have eyes on them?
Yeah, they're in the fort.
In the fort?
In the fort.
There's one behind the fort, too.
Alright. Give me some cover fire.
Where are you going?
I'm moving right over there.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
In the fort! Walmart, get over here. Alright, listen up, there's guys in the fort. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna light fire down. You're gonna run up there and call safety on them, alright? When you get within touching reach of the fort, you call safety on them, alright?
What does safety mean?
Just call safety, okay? You got it? Alright, we're gonna put covering fire on the fort. Okay, you ready? Come on, hurry up. Alright, you're gonna... Hey, put some covering fire on the fort on my count! 1, 2, 3, cover! Alright, fort's down, move up!
Let's go!
Yeah, my first person out!
Hey, when you're that close, call safety.
Yeah, he did.
Safety!
Oh. JD, watch your head. Ties in the machine gun nest. Okay. Reloading. Oh, my last mag. Who the fuck's Clayton at? Where's Clayton? You know? Clayton, where you at?
I think he went back to the staging area.
You're back in the tree line behind the machine gun nest.
Yeah, I know.
Walmart, get up here. Hey, whenever you look up, put rounds on them.
Well,
Walmart,
I just need to see
get up
where
here.
they are. I'm not gonna put rounds into something that's not there.
Get over here. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dakota, by the machine gun nest.
I'm gonna move up.
Hey, Dakota's right at 12. He's behind the little log right next to the machine gun nest.
Okay. I have an idea what that is.
Ah, fuck, hit. God damn. Guess what's going on? They're all crowded around the machine gun nest.
Yeah, I figured. Give me a fucking doozy.
Alright, well, we have Walmart and Marcos covering the left side. I'm gonna go check up on the center, because I have no clue what's going on over there.
Right side from the spots. We can't really move up from there. Henry's up ahead.
Alright.
Hey, go over by Henry and start pushing fire.
Hey,
Move up by
hey,
Henry and
Max,
start pushing
do
fire.
you have any M4 mags?
Yeah. Here's a fat one, lots of ammo.
Thank you.
Fucking glasses, man.
You good?
My glasses fucking clogging up. I'll come back for these later.
Marcos, Walmart, keep that left side locked down.
Come park for me.
Hey, you guys have one moving left on the tree line. No, they were just moving off of the tree line from the machine gun nest.
You go around the right.
Hey, where's that last objective at?
Yeah, where's the last objective?
Machine gun down. Yeah, there's people in the machine gun.
19 minutes.
Zarnik, me, you.
Get over here.
Okay, we're gonna flank ravine side while everyone's pushing up for the main assault.
Hey, there's someone in the trees. Why don't
Got
you
that?
How many rounds are in this thing?
I don't know, but here's an extra one.
Thank you.
Make them count. I'm a little ammo man.
Yes, you are, because I burned through my mags.
Hey, did you get the black P mag or the black big mag, or did you get a tan one?
I got a black one.
Does it have a winder on the bottom?
No.
It's a string operated winder. You pop it and you wind it on the bottom.
How do you pop it? Got it.
Alright, let's go.
Walmart, keep that left side locked down.
JD, what's that place looking like?
Yeah, they're mainly crowded around that machine gun nest.
We're gonna run those barrels and check it out.
Go. I'm not seeing anything. Alright, here's what we can do. You can keep moving through the forest and come up on their flank, and I'll come up on here by those blue barrels and hit them. So they'll be occupied and you'll hit them again. All right?
So you want to go through the wood pile?
You go through the wood pile. I'll come up right here and flank.
I'm going to draw too much fire from the left, or from the right if I go to the wood pile. Because they still got guys in those fucking trees.
Yeah.
The only way to do is if we both go.
Alright, where do you want to go?
Keep watch. I'm going to move up to that fucking next marker.
Alright,
Got
go.
it?
Go. All clear? Or that.
Taking fire from the front.
Ah, fuck, hit.
Hey, they might be trying to flank us.
Where at?
Left side ravine.
Walmart, where are you? You got 4 of us to the left of those machine gun nests too. How many are in there? Huh? How many are in there? How many are in there?
Ty's in a machine gun nest. Yeah.
Marcos, you want me to open fire on the fort? You want me to put some fire on it?
We'll open fire on the fort.
Okay. You don't want
Clayton, put some rounds down right now.
Henry, talk to Brian about our plan.
You and me. You ready?
What are you
You guys
doing?
going on to the right. We're going to put fire on the
Fire on
fort.
the fort. I'm going to the
Clayton,
fort.
fire on the fort.
Go.
Now. Go, now. Go on, what are you doing? Go on.
Hey.
What?
Ammo my mag, cover me.
Alright.
It's empty. Well,
14 minutes.
run out of mags here, man.
Alright.
Fuck, car keys. Get me off the fucking phone. Wallet. Phone. Magazines, there we go.
Alright. There's one.
My last name, 4 mag, buddy.
Alright.
I got no more.
I'm good for right now.
I'm gonna load up this high cap. And give me one of your high caps and I'll load it up.
They're both loaded up again.
They're all loaded up?
I probably only put like 20 rounds to the one, the first one you gave me.
Okay.
Alright. So we have one on the left side.
We got people.
How many are on that right side, guys?
Hey, we got people flanking through ravine. Flanking through ravine. Fort side. Fort side.
Don't know how many are in there, but 2 are gone. Where's Walmart? Walmart, get over here. Alright. Here's what we need you to do. Get in the fort. And if anyone flanks, you yell, okay? You let us know.
Alright.
Try not to get hit. You good, Clayton?
Got my hat off, but I'm good. Getting on the fort.
What?
I dug into the fort. Yeah, that's it. 2, damn.
Ty's still in the machine gun nest. We got 7 minutes.
All right, somebody put fire on the wood line.
Fire on the wood line!
Fire on the wood line. Hold. Fire.
Dalton, left side!
Get it?
I'm dead.
Hey, Ty's dead.
I'm just dead.
Defuse it. Go. Fucking rip it apart.
Got it.
Game!
That's game. Woo!